In this video, I'm going to share a strategy that can make you $100 per day. So the first thing you need to do is to create a platform where you're going to be presenting or even creating tutorials. So for example, you could use YouTube, and I highly recommend YouTube because YouTube is also a search engine. So if you create your titles which are search based, it's very, very easy for people to find your topics. Now you may be asking, how do I get people to find my content? So basically this is the best way. So let's say you love baking cakes. So your topics need to be around baking cakes. So you could say how to bake a cake in less than 30 minutes. And people are searching for these type of keywords. So you need a platform where you can showcase your videos, and YouTube is the best. I know some of you may be saying, what about Facebook? Well, Facebook is good, but the content really comes on their timeline. So it's not search based. So sometimes people will just come across it by chance. So it's a hit and miss. But with YouTube, your videos are going to be on that platform for a very, very long time. In my case, I have videos that are there since I started my YouTube channel in 2009. So you can imagine they'll still keep your videos. So I would highly recommend using YouTube because one, it's a search engine, and two, your videos will always be up there. The next step now is to find a niche. And this is very important because you need a topic that you can base your videos off of. Now, once you've selected that topic, the next step now is to go on to your Facebook groups, because this is where people congregate and this is where you want to be. Now, when you go to these groups, you don't just want to go there and just spam people with links to your videos. No, you want to go in and start helping people. So whenever you see a question where there's an opportunity to go in and create a video, go in, create a video, link to it, and just help people. Now, after a couple of days, you're going to earn this reputation of, what, you know what, this person actually helps a lot in the community. So when you do that, it's much easier now later on to start adding all your links to say, hey, you know what, guys, I have a tutorial that teaches you how to do this, then this, click here. So it's much easier. But if you go in the first time and start bombarding them with all your links to your YouTube videos, it's not going to look good, and chances are you will get banned. So once you've joined these Facebook groups, I highly recommend you join about 4 or 5 groups, and you have to be active. Remember, making money online is actually a business. So it's not going to be easy. You have to treat this like a business. You have to go out there, wake up early, go in there, make sure you're checking all your messages, responding to people, and so on. Okay, so once you've done that and you've earned your reputation in those groups, it's easier now, as I mentioned, to add all your links to your videos. Okay, now once you've done that, what you need to do now is to create a review video. So this could be a review of a product that you use. It could be a review of maybe a software that you use. And this review needs to be detailed because people want to really know if they can buy the product or not. So it's going to be based on your review. So a review is very, very important. If you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to notice that I have reviews for LearnDash, Divi, Fluent CRM, and so on, because people actually watch these reviews, and when they watch it, chances are they are going to want to click on your recommended links, which takes me to the next point, which is you need to have an affiliate partnership with these companies that you're creating these products about, because you're just going to be creating these products and basically not going to be making any money from it. So you need to make sure you sign up and be an affiliate of one of these companies. Now, there's also another thing here which is very important, and this is the mistake I made when I got started off with affiliate marketing, and that is I used to choose affiliate programs that gave a percentage which was really, really low. So the commission could be perhaps 15% or 20%. To be honest, these are not really worth it. I know if you are desperate and you want to get up and running, yes, you may want to do this, but think about it. If you can get a 35% or 50%, chances are you make a lot of money. I know that if you compare these two, you may be thinking, you know what, it's 15%, I'll just go for it. And sometimes people even go as low as 1 or 2%, like with Amazon. So a lot of people do create all these videos about Amazon products, doing a lot of reviews, but the percentage is very low. But you need to look for something that is a bit higher. Now, what I was able to do recently was to negotiate, because I have now built my YouTube channel to about 60-something thousand subscribers. So I'm a sort of influencer. So I was able to go in and negotiate my terms, which is also a good thing as time goes on. So I'll highly recommend that you grow your channel, and then this gives you leverage to then ask for a higher percentage later on as it goes. But in the meantime, just try and look for affiliate programs which give you about a 30%, 35%, around that area. Because if you go for low, you're going to be creating quite a lot of videos and you're not going to be making a lot of money. And this target of $100 a day is going to be quite difficult to reach. But if you have something that has about 35% or 50%, you can make this easily. Okay, so once you've established this now, so now the next step now is all these people that you're recommending, you need to find a way to have them opt into your mailing list, because chances are you want to find related products that they may be interested in. So if they come in and they buy or purchase something and they go, pretty much that's it, they're done, they're gone. So what you need to do is to create something that is in line with the thing that you are actually promoting. Let me give you an example. So let's say you love baking and your videos are all about baking. So what you need to do is perhaps maybe create 5 easy recipes or 3 easy recipes to get you up and running, or maybe an ebook about getting started with baking. So that ebook, also give it away as a bonus for someone that buys using your affiliate link. But for them to get it, they need to opt in. So you need to have a link and you need to have this PDF on your website. So when they opt in, they get this PDF. So this PDF now is also acting as an incentive when they buy this product that you've recommended. So this is very, very powerful. Now in the future, you may say, okay, you know what? I am really pushing a review of maybe a mixer. So next time around, I'm going to be pushing a review about maybe something else, maybe, I don't know, baking stuff, but it could be, let's say, the best oven. I know it's too far-fetched, but let's say the best oven. So of course, the people that are on this list are people that have joined this list because they love baking. So anything baking related, chances are they are going to be going with that. So this target that I've put here, $100 a day, this is the initial steps. But once you get your videos up and running and you start producing them more and more, and you get bigger and bigger on YouTube, this $100 a day is nothing. You can make thousands of dollars a day. But the key point here is consistency. You need to be on top of this. You can't create a few videos and say, oh, you know what, I'm done. It's enough. You really have to keep going. So this is the formula that you need to follow if you want to make at least $100 a day online. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box below and I'll do my best to respond to them. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.